is what happened after the flood that took place in Chakrade, Windy Ridge. So the road has removed. Look at the road. This road was done 6 months ago. And after the flood, you can see that it has now turned to clay. I don't know if it is the constructors that we have to blame or it is the water that we have to blame. Look at how the road has done. See the road. It has turned to Kanzo. This is how the road has now turned to after the flood. Look at this place. Look at this place. And as you can see, media people are here. The media people are here. They are viewing everything. Look at the road right now. Look at the road. Then everything on the road has created a big hole. It's just 2 hours of rain. Everywhere flooded, and now the road has become Kanzo. The road has become Kanzo right now. So that is what has happened right here in Chakrade, Windy Ridge. Stop playing.